Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simulate scan with the temperature on your Realme Narzo 50. So to start, open the Play Store, then look for this app and install it, of course. After that you have to launch it, skip this window and wait a second to close the ad. Now go to the simulation section. If you want to start the whole process, just hold the finger in this place. Skip video. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, click on this button, confirm it by the save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.